Most cleaning businesses rely on hustle, not systems. A lead messages you. You try to respond quickly if you see it in time. You send a quote. Maybe they reply, maybe they ghost. You remind them. You follow up. And if the job happens, you hope they remember to leave a review. That's too many steps and too many chances to lose the client. What if all of it was handled for you? Automatically. That's what automation is for. And Go High Level is the platform that makes it possible. It gives you the tools to capture leads, respond instantly, send quotes, follow up, book jobs, and request reviews, all inside one system. At Waybe, we took that platform and built a complete setup for cleaning businesses. It's not just automation. It's the entire client journey, already mapped and running. Lead comes in, they get an instant reply. Didn't respond? Automated follow-up. Booked a job? They get reminders. Job completed? Review request goes out. Automatically. And you didn't have to do a thing. If you're ready to run your cleaning business like a system, from lead to follow-up, click the link in the description and access the Web AI system built on Go High Level.